Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about an oldie but a goodie. This star of a bag right back here. This is the JuJuBe BRB. I have packed this bag before on my channel. I will link it in the cards above. But I recently pulled this bag out. I haven't used it in quite a while. If you're new here, I have a 10, a 6, and an almost 4-year-old. So I am no longer in the diaper stage, but I am in the mommy stage. And I love going out and adventuring with my kids. But I am definitely not a minimalist. I'm kind of more of a maximalist, as you'll see once I open up the bag. And I forgot just how much I love this bag. So let me change the camera angle. You know I don't like a long review around here, so let me show you how I have her all wrapped. So this, like I said, is a JuJuBe BRB backpack. This is a discontinued print, but if you go on Amazon or on their website, they always have lots of prints in stock. And my favorite thing about JuJuBe is that they are machine washable, which if you're a mom and you've got kids, you know how that can come in clutch. I do want to show you how nicely this bag will hold a water bottle. This is, I think, a 24-ounce water bottle from Starbucks, and that can slide right in there. It looks nice on the side of the bag. It's not like sticking out too far, and because of this elastic gusseting right here, it's held nice and tight to the bag. It's not going to fall out if you bend over, which I love. So this is my water bottle. Like I said, I think this is 24 ounces and it fits in there perfectly. Alright, in the front you do get a slip pocket here. I currently don't have anything in there, but this is a great place that you can drop your phone. I have the biggest iPhone, and if it's in there, no problem. We have used this bag at Disney, and I've thrown park mats in here, or wipes. I've thrown like a reusable shopping tote in here, so this is just a great pocket for any of those things that you want to get to quickly. I usually put my phone in this pocket. This is a microfiber lined pocket, and like I said, I have the biggest iPhone, and it also fits right in there, no problem. So that's those two pockets. Then on the front of JuJuBe bags, you get what they term the mommy pocket, and if I open this up, you'll see all of the great organization that's inside of here. So right in the front here, you do get a key leash. This is where I would attach my keys. If I had my keys in this bag, I obviously do not, but I love that feature because I always worry about losing my keys. Then you get this sunglasses holder, which I never use to hold sunglasses, but it's a great place for them if that's where you want to put them. I am using it to just hold a little travel brush. I have a regular pen. I have a pair of travel scissors. These come in handy way more than you'd think. Highly, highly recommend. You just open them and then you can use it to cut tags or whatever you may need. Then I also have a Sharpie, and I have a Tide to Go pen, and that all fits in there perfectly and is really easy to grab for when I need it. Then over to the left, you do get a slip pocket, and this is where I'm keeping my AirPods. Then there is a mesh compartment down here, and I have a JuJuBe small set piece, and I thought these prints just looked really cute together. I love that about JuJuBe, the mixing and matching of prints. And in here, I am just keeping a lip gloss, another lip product, another lip product, and I have a lotion tucked in there as well. And then behind the sunglasses pocket, I have tucked my wallet. This is my favorite wallet from Andar. It's so nice and slim. It holds all my cards. My cash fits in the middle there, and I just love it. It's perfect. And then behind that, I have this little pouch from Bradley, and this is where I am keeping all our passes and things. Now, on the top of the bag, you do get almost like a hidden zipper compartment here, and this is a great place to put if you carry a full-size wallet. I am using it for my wipes, so I have a package of wet ones in there. And then I also have these Fever Ease wipes. If you have not seen these before, these are fantastic. Obviously, they're made for fevers, but I use them in the summertime to cool my kids off when they're hot. And then I'm also keeping my hand sanitizer back there. Moving on to the side of the bag, you do have this long zipper on the back of the bag, and this is where the changing pad will come. I obviously don't need a changing pad, but I have stuck a full-size blanket in there. This is from Kate & Lane. I have 2 of these. I love them. I will never get rid of them for as long as I live. Look how huge this is. I mean, it's as tall as I am. So if you have a wet kid, a cold kid, you have 2 cold kids, this is great to have in your bag because it folds up into nothing, and it just, we've taken them on airplanes, we use it at the park as a blanket. I cannot recommend these blankets enough. They wash great, the prints are cute, 10 out of 10. So I just have that blanket back there for cold kids. And then in the main compartment, you do get double zippers, and a feature that you either love or hate about this bag is the zippers go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So until you get accustomed to how to open the bag the way you want, sometimes stuff can fall out, especially if it's like hanging on a stroller. But what you learn to do is you just open the zippers however far you need to get into the bag, and then none of your stuff falls out. And there you can see how I have her packed up. You do get these elastic straps here, which this is a great place to put a wipe dispenser if you're in the diapering stage. I love being able to just grab a wipe really quickly. I have put a medium set piece up there, and I have everything you could possibly think of in this set piece. This is where I keep all of my like first aid type necessities. I have a little pill case from Sephora. I have a little boogie finder tool. This thing is crazy, but it works really well. I have some eye drops. Are we going to focus? We're not going to focus. I have a couple of band-aids. We have some medicine, bug bite thing, sunscreen stick, you name it, it's in there. I love this pouch. I take it everywhere I go. Then on the bottom of the bag, I have two large set pieces by JuJuBe, and this first one is what I'm using to hold all of our snacks. And then in this next one, I am holding just some random items that we don't use all the time, but I still like to carry. So off to the side here, I'm just keeping a baggie dispenser for any messes. I also have a wet bag from Bumpkins in there. Then I have a snack bag from Amazon. And in here, I'm just keeping a silicone straw. I absolutely love these Go Silly straw toppers when we're out and about. So if you get a cup without a lid, this becomes your lid, and then you can put the straw in there. And then in the bottom, I just have a little fork and a spoon. And then I have another snack bag in the pouch there, and this is my potty kit. I have two flushable wipes in here. I have some toilet seat covers, and then I have some soap sheets in case there's no soap in the bathroom. And then I have two little wipes for me. These are deodorant wipes, and you know, it's summer, it's hot, and you just never know when you're going to need a good deodorant wipe. And next up, I just have these Stop Bugging Me wipes from Amazon. They work really well. One wipe is enough to wipe down two kiddos, and they keep the bugs at bay, and I like that they don't have DEET. And then finally, off to the side, I just have tucked a little feminine product, just in case that time of the month comes around. Alright, coming to the end. Back in the back of the bag, you do get a mesh compartment. When I was diapering, this is where I kept my diapers. I could fit one side's diapers on this side and the other side's over here and carry a good amount of diapers. And then you can pack this up exactly the same way as I had it packed now, but you still have your diapering needs. In here, I just have some activities. So I have these coloring stickers and a doodle pad. And then, in case you haven't noticed, I really like snack pouches. And in this one's by Bumpkins, I'm just keeping some twistable crayons for the kids to color with. Alright, there you have it. That's everything I unpacked in my JuJuBe BRB. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stick around by following along and subscribing to my channel. And I hope you have a great day, whatever you are doing. Bye!